Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your WhatsApp status with your Facebook or Instagram page. Okay, the first thing here to do is let's log in into our WhatsApp. Now, next thing here to do is to come down to these three dots. Under this one, you click on the three dots. On this one, you click on settings. You click on settings. From this settings, you scroll it down. You can scroll it down and look for privacy. And you look for privacy here. Under this one, what you are going to do is to scroll it and look for my status. Okay, this is status. On this, you click on this status. Now, what do you see here? Share access app. Automatically share your status to your Facebook or Instagram stories. So on your Facebook or Instagram story, your status from WhatsApp, you can share it to them. By what? Simply click on this and this. Automatically it will connect. Click this one. As you can see here, right now, if you have multiple Instagram, you just put your phone number or your username here automatically, and your password, you log it in. It will be updated. The next one here is to also your Facebook. You click on it. As you can see, hit here now. I want to connect now. If I connect it right now, I connect this one. You can see I have selected this. Automatically, it will be updated. And then selecting this, and you continue, allow, and finish adding. So you allow it. So it's adding, it's connecting your Facebook and your status, WhatsApp status. Right now, my status, my Facebook status and my WhatsApp are connected. Whenever I updated my WhatsApp status, it will definitely show on my Facebook stories. That is simple. If you want more tips like this, kindly follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Peace.